What's up guys, Ryan here. Today I wanted to talk about how I drastically optimized my Amazon merch business's upload process. Now, before I even get to what I did to make it better and more efficient, I need to tell you some background. So, prior to the Create Beta multi-product upload existing, I used to have to come here and hit, well, this didn't even exist to be honest. I used to have to just hit Control T, Control V, which is new tab and then paste and then enter, and open up a different tab. And let's say I have one design that I want to put on every available product type. So this would be the standard t-shirt. I'd upload here. I'd set this second tab to premium, the next one to long sleeve, the next one to sweatshirt, the next one to hoodie, and then the last one to pop socket. So then I would cycle through the tabs using control. By the way, I love hotkeys because like speed was a big deal. Obviously, time is money, and the faster you could upload in the past, the better. And I would be cycling through the tabs using Control 1, Control 2, Control 3, Control 4, Control 5, Control 6, etc. Fortunately, Amazon, and by the way, it would take me about 5 to 6 minutes to take a single design and make it available on every single product type. And that's including using the website merchresize.com to automatically optimize my standard dimension design for hoodie and pop socket, since they use non-standard dimensions. So 5 to 6 minutes, it wasn't that bad. I mean, I'm sure like I was probably one of the fastest. I've been a computer nerd for a long time, so I'm pretty comfortable using a computer, keyboard, mouse, etc. But that still took forever compared to if you were just to come here, hit create beta, and then hit the multi-product. And I'm sure everybody is using this and loves it. Even if you're uploading one shirt, it still makes sense to use this tool, because if you're just uploading to the standard t-shirt, for instance, you can select 10 colors to sell it on instead of 5. With this old one, the old way, you only got 5 colors. With the new one, you get 10. Anyways, this probably took me something like 3 minutes to 4 minutes max per design to make it available on as many products as I wanted to. That was great, but there was a massive game changer that was introduced to me at some point, I don't even know when, probably a couple months ago, and it was called the Merch Titans Automation Upload Tool. And I know not everybody wants to use this because, yes, it is technically against the Amazon merch terms of service to use this. That said, like I'm a web developer at my 9-to-5 job. If you guys are new to my channel, the whole gist of what I have going on is I talk about how to make passive income without quitting your job, because there's so many people out there talking about quitting your job, and if you have like a good understanding of finance, it didn't make sense for those people to quit their jobs if they actually did. Anyways, it's like beating a dead horse talking about quitting your job. I'm telling people ways to make money without quitting their job, and I'm living proof that it's possible. One of the ways I make money is Amazon merch, and one of the ways I'm able to succeed in tier 10,000 and hopefully 12,000 soon is I don't have to upload anymore. I create a centralized resource in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet for my designs that indexes all of them. And I've done other videos. I published one a couple days ago talking about file organization to make it easier to stay on top of things like this, because it gets crazy when you have thousands of designs. But with the Merch Titans automation tool, I load a batch of 50 designs at a time, and I can upload them to different print-on-demand platforms. And I just wanted to show you guys that in the past, I'd take a single design. Let's just say I'd take 5 minutes to use the multi-product uploader and make it available on 10 different products on Amazon merch. With this tool, you can have just your standard dimension designs, and it will automatically optimize it for hoodie and zip hoodie and pop socket. And while you're uploading to Amazon merch, you can go through multiple designs at a time. It'll upload your designs and select all the colors and set your pricing, and it'll translate English to German faster than any human ever could. But you can also set the speed so that if Amazon is paying attention, which they're not, you stay undetected. But by the way, like I'm a web developer. I'm a front-end web developer specifically, so I understand like how this works, and it's not that it's impossible for them to maybe detect that it's a bot, but it's very unlikely, because the way that this application interacts with the web browser is just as a human would without taking control of your mouse. So it's unlikely that it'll ever be detected, and it's currently been working for months without any problems on any print-on-demand platform. But I just wanted to show you guys some math. So here are my daily uploads using the Merch Titans uploader. And instead of me taking, like, let's say Amazon merch, so I'm doing about 100 uploads a day. That would be 5 minutes per design. And then when I say 100, I mean designs. So that's not even talking products. So that would be 500 minutes a day, which is like 8 hours of uploading a day, even using the multi-product uploader. And with the automation, guys, I'm able to do 100 products to Amazon merch. Well, 100 designs. I decide like what products I want to push them to. I'm still uploading my entire catalog. I did a video about this a while back, but I'm still working on getting everything uploaded to Wish through the Printful integration. I'm doing about 100 uploads a day there. 100 designs. And by the way, like with Amazon merch, like it follows a different workflow where you can submit a design and say add this to product X, Y, and Z. With Printful Wish, they have a limited number of products you can push designs to, but keep in mind, like, you can run the same spreadsheet of designs and have it pushed to like the Gildan t-shirt and then something else, and just rerun it the second time and change the product that it pushes to something else. I'm doing about 50 a day to Redbubble because there's upload limits on most of these websites, the remainders. Printful Wish doesn't seem to have one, and Amazon merch depends on your tier, but I'm in tier. As you can see, with tier 10,000, you get 1,000 uploads a day, so it's never been an issue. And I wouldn't upload 1,000 a day, if you guys are wondering. That's silly to me. Although I will say, back before Redbubble implemented these upload limits, I did push 400 products in a day to Redbubble, give or take. I basically watched an entire season of a show on Netflix headed into the fourth quarter, so that's how I justified doing it, dedicating an entire day to uploads. But yeah, so I'm uploading 50 to Redbubble, 50 to Spreadshirt, 50 to TeePublic, 50 to Teespring, 50 to Zazzle, 100 to Wish through Printful, and 100 to Amazon merch every day. And if I'm being honest, it takes me about 15 minutes on average. That's accounting for random things like maybe going wrong, or I don't even know. Somehow it takes about 15 minutes on average, I'd say, to set up the uploader to run and push to these websites. So you get the truth on my channel, even if it's going to piss some people off. This video might have a bad dislike ratio because I know people don't like when I talk about breaking the rules for Amazon merch. And again, it's like, I'm not trying to tell you to do it. I'm letting you know how I'm operating, because people always tell me, like, how do you have time to do this, do that, do this, do that? And it's like, this is how I have time. If I see the chance to make some optimizations, I take advantage of it, because otherwise my Amazon merch count wouldn't be what it is. It'd be trending the wrong direction, because I couldn't, like, understanding that my time is worth money and I have to like think about where's the highest ROI going to come. When you remember that there's only 24 hours in a day and that I do have a day job and I don't have infinite time to spend on things that I want to do. Things like the Merch Titan uploader are allowing me to keep that merch account growing while also doing things that are important to me with my time. So guys, if you're interested in the Merch Titans automation, by the way, I always put a link in the description. I've got other videos about it on this channel that I will include in the YouTube cards. So if you click the little like info icon where I'm pointing up in the corner, you should be able to see those. And also, might as well plug my merch. My Amazon merch course has an entire bonus section with multiple modules dedicated to walking you through my exact process for using the automation tool, which goes deeper than the videos that they make publicly available that train people that use it. Like I took it a step further. I give you my spreadsheet, which uses some advanced formulas to help like streamline and make the whole process of keywords and filling in all the required info like tags and all that stuff faster and easier for you guys. And it'll be included in the dropship print on demand course, but I'm working on that as like the third course that I'm going to finish. The Amazon merch course, like 95% done. So you can go ahead and enroll for that today at a discounted price. Once it's 100% done, the price triples. So anyways, guys, thank you for checking out this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, hit me up below, and I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at RyanSmethod.com. Thank you.